It's obvious by how we looking at you dance. That nigga just trying to get up in your pants, and it's straight facts. I can imagine you hate that, but baby girl, your body stand out like a face tat. I just wanna say that you gotta give me my shot. Trust, we get it jumping like hopscotch. I'm fitted like Oshkosh, trying to be in your mouth like I'm Pop Rocks. Baby, we can go kick it in my spot. And I always got protection, got you face down, card collection. I even took salsa lessons. Okay, no salsa lessons, but they call a nigga salsa. Let's stand up on the beach or anywhere you residing. Your moves rival the devil when you beside him. You hot and my voice got you wetter than Poseidon. Wet floor sign to advise and to stand back. So shorty, what it need to be, at least to eat. Approach you with decency. Them other niggas really living down on easy street. He off rip, trying to get you on your knees with me. Nah, I see that body and I think about a canvas.
Okay guys, makeup check, outfit check, backpack check, and we're ready for the hike. Go, Penyo, are you ready? Let's get him. I want to show you something that just jumped on my van. Okay, look, I don't want to scare it off. I don't even know the word in English. Girl, what you doing here? So, I don't know the track, but it's gonna be all the way up there. Oh, maybe we go that way. Is it a way? I need some music. Beyonce is giving me all the vibes. Getting in the way. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Hello? Can you hear me? I want you to know that you rock and you're the baddest bitch. And you can do anything you want to do. You own that shit. And you go for it. Whenever you feel like it. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. In love, Susie. Woo! That's right, Penyo. Who's out there? Tell them. Tell them. Tell them, everybody out in the world, that everybody can do whatever they want to do. You get me? Oh my gosh. I'm a little bit out of shape for those hiking trails. Ooh, a spider. It's hot though, it's hot, man. Jalapenito, you are such a sporty little dog. I love you for that. Oh my goodness. There were some cows over there. I thought I would go that way to the cows, but now I'm sort of going that way. It was not what I planned. I wanted to go over there, but I'll just go and see where it will lead me. I'm not even lying. I've never in my life seen so big hornets. It's scary. Penny, I'm scared. Please don't trap in one. They have such a long tail. There are like so many on the floor. Why are the hornets on the floor? I don't get it. That doesn't make me feel comfortable walking. I had this scenario. What if I get stabbed? And what do you do if you're allergic to it? You have to go to the hospital. I never worry. But insects are not quite my favorite things on earth, to be honest. You just gotta be careful where we walk, because there's a lot of them. Mountain water for you, Penyo. Are you done? Okay, we still have quite a bit to go. Penyo, where is this going? I wanted to go to a lake. I didn't look. Hey Siri, can you show me the way to the lake? No? But look at that. I came all the way. Over there. Still have a lot of energy. I'm just sweating. But yeah, I wanted to go. Ew, nasty. I wanted to go to a lake because it looked beautiful. But I don't know if I'll get there or where I'm actually going. But, you know, let's see. That's the adventure. You never know where you end up. Just follow the way and just keep going.
Don't need diamonds or gold. All the pictures we've been sold. Paradise. It's a simple state of mind. It's the people by your side, but only you can find paradise.
Guys, we are hitting the big mountains now, going up while Penny is trying to hump me. Penny, I bought you a Shiba. I bought you a Shiba girl, please. I want to let you know I made a very, very interesting discovery. If we go down, Penny, and watch this poop, you will figure out that this is probably cow poop. It's probably 2, 3, 4 days old. Penny, what do you say? Do you think we'll see some cows? Stay tuned. Jalapeno. Okay guys, let's go up. Look at the big mountains surrounding. Okay, here we go. Which way we heading? Oh, it's like here, some little stairs. Okay, go. I came all that way, guys. I'm a mountain girl. Peño, where are you? Peño? Hello, boy. It's so fresh. Okay. Can you see that hornet? Can you see how big that tail is? Whatever that is, it's scaring me. He's looking right at me, I feel like. But look at the little tail, it's so thick to stab. I don't think it's even a hornet, actually. Now when I really look at it. Oh my god, guys. It's a holy guacamole situation. Literally incredible. No motherfucking way. Wow, it's so beautiful. Insane. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. The lake. Oh. What in the hell? Peño, we did it! This is incredible, Peño. Are you tired? Come here, my chat. He's so tired. I'm tired too, baby. I would like to jump in the lake though. What do you think, Peño? Wow.
I know we can find paradise.
It is 5 p.m. and at this point I am just annoyed. I'm just tired. I don't want to walk no more. We hiked for 6 hours already, almost without a break. Maybe in 30 minutes break. Because I got lost sometime. And at this point I just want to be in my van and eat. Because I didn't even eat. Lord. Give me a sign. Can you not teleport me? I see my van. Why? You can see the tiny dot. Oh my gosh. Peño, please. I don't have no energy. I don't have no energy. At this point, you are just raping me. I have no energy to fight and to protect myself right now. Oh, still so much to go. When I don't eat, I just get hangry and whiny. Want food. I don't think I can feel my legs anymore. Guys, I said what I said. Stay tuned for the cows. So I got a surprise for you. Yay! Chee-hoo! What are those guys doing here? I promised you that. I got a lot of eyes and attention on me, to be honest.
I've been eyeing you for quite some time. I'm trying hard to not step out of line, but I'm addicted to your fragrance. And baby, everything you're doing is amazing. I've been just thinking about the ways to give it to you is crazy. Live a little and stay. I'm with you to give you safety. One chance, cause life's short, don't forget it.